Hi, my name is Reese. I recently landed and attained my permanent residency status. If I have to talk about my dream and the journey of Canada being my destination, it somewhere started in the year 2019, February to be precise. And like any other candidate or a person, a normal person who would want to start the process of immigration, I had no idea about what I have to do, about the ECA, about IELTS, about what all documents are required, what is the entire process, how much time will it take, what is the fees, and all those things. I had no idea about. So I ended up doing a Google search, and I ended up getting to know MNG as an immigration consultant in my city. Apparently, they are one of the best in Kerala right now. Hence, I enrolled myself with them and started the process in somewhere in February. So each step, people who the case manager was assigned to me, and the branch manager Gitu and Nimisha to be precise, these both of them were very diligent in helping me with throughout the process. Even whatever was there in the scope and what was not, I used to ask them 100 questions, and it generally doesn't turn out that all immigration consultants will give you extra information about it. But everything was very transparent in this. And the best thing which I liked about MNG was they do not charge you for the entire fees that they charge upfront. They would want to go through the process. They would show you their work, how they maintain the file, how perfectly they do their work, and hence at each stage there is a fees attached to it once you cross a certain phase, right? So they do not ask for money upfront, and they do the work that they promise for the money they charge. So I highly recommend MNG for anybody who is going to think about the process or is imagining to come to Canada as a destination. So I think MNG would be the best place to go to if you're in Kerala, or I think they offer online services as well of people who are not there in Kerala as well. You can completely trust them. They do not do any forgery about anything. Their file management system, I think, is one of the best, because I got my PR visa in like 3 months after the final submission. So that itself says that how well they would have documented my file and uploaded it to the system. Then, if you talk about my journey, it was a very long journey to reach here during giving the pandemic situation. So I've reached here 2 months back, and I'm slowly settling in. And it's a very beautiful country. I think everybody should give it a try who is eligible to do it, because you will anyways have a better life here. So I wish all the best to anybody who is planning to go ahead, and do consider this as a personal advice that MNG is one of the best consultants available. Thank you.